go. Uh-oh, the battery's gonna die. Go fast. Okay, look at everything. It's okay, just keep doing it, and when the battery dies, it dies. Look, these are cute pants.
Ooh.
Chocolate. Mmm. What is that? Ooh, I like a pumpkin. That's pretty neato.
Wow.
Oh, wait, look. Pajamas. Whoa.
Ooh.
What is that?
That's a book.
A trick-or-treat book? Did you look at the clothes? These are nice.
Ooh, Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse? Halloween Minnie Mouse.
Ooh, go off, full off.
That's it?
Yep.
Alright, let's look at the clothes. Hold them up for me so I can see. What is that? A switch?
Dada.
What's on there?
Purple dot.
Okay. And what's that?
Is it?
What's on it?
Me on here.
Clara's on there?
Yeah, a Tiffany.
And pants?
That a puppet. Door 4. One.
Dora the Explorer?
A mini one. Mini one. It's a teddy.
Can you say thank you?
Teddy.
What's your favorite thing?
Teddy.
Candy. Wait, let me see what kind of candy it is. It says caramel marshmallow and chocolate.
Oh no, I eating it.
Maybe after dinner. You can have some. Do you like marshmallows?
I'd rather eat one side.
Yeah, you can have one bite. Don't pick your nose. You can have one bite after dinner.
Not one bite now.
No, get your finger out of your nose. Ew.
One bite and out in there.
No, we can have some after dinner. You have to eat. Don't open it. We have to eat dinner first.
They eat one bite, Mommy.
One dite.
Yeah.
They bite. It starts with a B.
Bite.
Good. That's better.
I eat one bite.
Extreme close-up. What are you looking at?
I eat one bite.
No.
See, Mommy?
Oh, you're getting blurry. That's just blurry. Oh, blurry. It's being blurry. Here we go. All right. Ooh, what's that? Does it pop up? Who is that? Hello?
Eat it.
Yes.
You get nice stuff.
What do you want?
You get nice gifts from your great grandma and grandpa. Claire, did you get nice gifts?
Yeah.
She said, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, what's
Hey,
this?
can you sing Trick or Treat? The Trick or Treat song?
Sit or see, sit or see.
What's the song?
Sit or seesaw.
How's it go?
Not one more dick.
Whoa, what's that? Don't get so close to me. I can't see you.
I found another gift for you.
Oh, who's that from?
Ooh. A puppet. One more dick.
Is that from great grandma and grandpa?
Oh, I missed the card. It doesn't have any quarters because Gigi sent you quarters in the mail. Let's see. It says, "Have fun on Halloween. I wish we could see you in your costume. I bet you look very cute. Love you lots. Love, great grandma and great grandpa."
I want that in it.
No. Can you say bye? I'm gonna turn off the camera.
Bye.